today's video, I show you how to add a video to your Shopify homepage, making your store more engaging and dynamic. Start by logging into your Shopify account and head to Online Store in the left-hand menu. Then click the Customize button next to your active theme to open the theme editor. In the Customizer, click Add section under the Template tab and search for Video. Click on it to add a new video section to your homepage. Next, select the video section you just added. You can either paste a video URL from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or upload a video directly from your device. Once your video is added, make sure to click Save to implement your changes. And that's it! Your Shopify homepage now features a video, enhancing the visual appeal of your store and boosting visitor engagement. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out more Shopify tutorials to level up your online store.